It's kind of a simple apparatus for doing some tricep work for a home gym. Just need something high up, like a branch would work. We're using a chin-up bar here. And then I got a pulley, which helps, but you don't have to have a pulley. You can just have a ring would work. And I just tied a couple of knots at the end of a rope and put it through a little loop. And then I got my weights tied on, so you can get to with your upper arms down and just work with tricep extensions. So pretty cool, pretty easy. Just do it at home until the gyms open back up. So you could also do things like you grab and then just work on crossbody technique. All I need is something that acts like a pulley or a branch and gives you a nice like pulley system like you have at the gym, but pretty cheap. Probably get one of those pulleys for about $12-13 at Home Depot. Cheap rope, and just use anything that's heavy for your weights. You don't have to have weights, but anything that you can tie a rope through. Pretty fun.